Hi there. Welcome to this blog. Are you running low on RAM and can't find a way to increase it? Don't worry. You can utilize swap memory, which serves as a backup for RAM when it's running low on space. This article explains how to increase swap memory in CentOS 7 and 8. The article provides two methods of creating additional swap space, creating a swap partition and creating a swap file. Both methods are explained in detail with step-by-step instructions. It covers how to extend swap space on Linux with a swap file in CentOS 8. The article gives the importance of swapping and the use of swap space, and also provides readers with all the prerequisites and commands required to execute each step to create additional swap memory. Check out the blog for more and hope you would like it.